Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a reservation on the Vakko hotel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the hotel button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on suites. Select a hotel room. Check out the details and click on the reservation button on the right side at the top. Now you should wait a few seconds and here you should select the number of guests. Tap on add code if you have any code. Click on update guests and rooms. Here you can set the check-in and check-out date. Then you should select the confirm dates of stay button down below, and then you should be able to select the room and tap on your reservation. Here you can find the price and then you can proceed to check out and pay for the room. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.